Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I guess this could be good news for some. We are about to have a change in how we can control Windows Update. And a feature that has not been able to, which actually didn't exist since at least Windows 8. I think maybe last time you could pause updates indefinitely. Well, now this is coming to Windows 11. So what you will see in the rollout of this update is at some point when you go to update Windows Update and you see here pause updates. Right now you have pause for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or 5 weeks. And at some point you will have the ability to pause pretty much indefinitely. Now, keep in mind that it's not a good idea to not have the updates because you will get, of course, the miss out on the security fixes. But for people that want to have their own control of when I will push an update and when I will push updates, make sure that everything works, that want to wait, that option will now be available. So it is going to start to roll out apparently in the coming weeks, and that eventually by, of course, in several months from now, everyone will have that option in the Windows updates where you'll just pause indefinitely and do what you want and install them when you want and so on. So interesting that Microsoft gives us this ability. There's a lot of changes that are happening with the different announcements lately in the past couple of weeks. I think Microsoft is in a mode where it's trying to please its Windows 11 base users, and it's trying to have people be less negative maybe about the operating system. So coming to a Windows update in Windows 11 near you, pausing updates indefinitely will be there at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.